BKC, the heart of commercial Mumbai. World-class buildings, but third-world problems. ₹100.
6 hours of my life is I am giving in traveling.
भैया गवर्नमेंट कॉलोनी बांद्रा.
That auto guy first asked 50 rupees, so I was desperate to go. I sat in.
कहाँ जाओगे?
So this is the situation.
Mumbai's BKC is one of the India's costliest real estate market. Yet it is a nightmare for the commuters, office goers and anyone who is travelling to this Mumbai's polluted hotspot. Housing one of the biggest office spaces in Mumbai, one would expect BKC to be a place which is easily accessible, at least for the office goers. But in one of the significant examples of broken infrastructure, the accessibility from the Bandra East Station is as challenging as it can get. Getting down from the Bandra East Station side for BKC, a commuter faces constant bullying by auto rickshaw drivers right from the Foot-over Bridge, which ends up being the only viable option for the lack of regular buses.
Office time commuting while coming from the Bandra station and going out. There is only one way exit from here, and 2 or 3 more exits were there, but which has been blocked due to this metro project.
I used to travel a lot from BKC to Andheri. It used to take 1.5 an hour to reach there because of lot of traffic and bad infrastructure for commuting daily. But now it's 6 years and the problem is exists. 6 hours of my life is I am giving in traveling, so it's very hard in BKC to work.
While there are Chalo buses for commuting, nothing compensates for the dearth of regular buses to BKC from the Bandra East Station. If one is travelling by their own vehicle, the commute nightmare is no less. The traffic gridlock at places like Bandra Kurla Complex Connector and BKC 1 Junction leaves commuters wondering for solutions.
What do you think is the reason for the hardship over here?
Alright, so first population and bad infrastructure, I can say this BKC is a commercial zone, but still there's a lot of improvements required in terms of public transportations. One more thing, metro is far from here. It's like 2 kilometers.
There is no auto available, and public transport is so full that you have to hang and go. So the only option is to hang out, wait for auto, and that too they quote a higher price. Normally they take 30 rupees. Even sometimes they ask for 50-60 rupees. And especially when it is raining, it is a hell lot of a problem for a commuter.
₹100.
Hoping for a solution, members of the Bharat Diamond Bourse earlier this year wrote a detailed letter highlighting the problems faced by the staff while commuting to the nearest stations and in BKC. Highlighting the design flaw in the allocation of this space, the letter highlighted the cause of the infrastructure challenges like spatial planning discrepancies and urged for urgent infrastructure upgrade, traffic management enhancements, dedicated traffic division, more traffic manpower and public transport infrastructure. A 3-point solution by Mumbai Suburban District Guardian Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha suggested more buses, merging of cycle lanes and barricade-free roads.
While the above plan might help solve the commuting problem to BKC, this is not the only problem.
According to BMC's ESR report 2022-23 released last year, BKC's Bandra Kurla Junction consistently ranks as Mumbai's most polluted area, with PM10 levels averaging double the Central Pollution Control Board's safe limit.
Reason? Dust from ongoing construction projects, high vehicular traffic and redevelopment, which is being a major cause of public health concern.
According to Dr. Beg, regulating traffic should be the top priority.
But these measures could solve the problem only if vehicular pollution was the only cause.
Illegal dumping on government land emitting toxic gases and BKC's proximity to heavy polluted Bandra Khari and Meठी River leads to poor air quality flow. It is noted that the authorities have been completely silent over the above issues. BMC has attempted cleanups at the dumping site and MMRDA-led projects in BKC like construction of internal roads, underground utility ducts, footpaths and parking areas. In 2019, BKC Connector flyover was completed and opened for traffic, linking the Eastern Express Highway to BKC. MMRDA also led the Kalanagar flyover project to ease congestion at the Kalanagar junction. The automated rapid transit system project aims to provide seamless connectivity from Kurla and Bandra suburban stations to BKC. Offering the promise of improved access is Metro Line 2B running from DN Nagar to Mandale is a 23.6 km elevated corridor with 19 stations. Yet, BKC continues to reel under pressure to improve its chaotic traffic pattern and compensate for its poor planning, which was a failure to integrate BKC into Mumbai's larger rapid transit network. Topped up with notorious rickshaw menace and the perpetually delayed bus services, Mumbai's urban business hub BKC would need to evolve as the pride of Mumbai in its true sense.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.